And big news coming in from southern India. After a series of incidents of attacks on doctors and healthcare workers, Kerala government has finally acted and initiated strict steps to ensure that the safety of doctors and other workers is there. As part of these measures, CCTV cameras will be installed at all the hospitals and feed collected from these will be given to the police. At the institutional level, superintendent of the hospital will nominate a security in charge officer. These measures come at a time when Kerala has emerged as a COVID hotspot and the vaccination pace in the state is sluggish as well. Remember, IMA unit had also warned the state that if police fails to arrest the accused in the doctor attack case in Kochi's Aluva, it won't cooperate with the vaccination drive. To give more details on this, I am now being joined by Vivek Karindalam. So Vivek, these steps come at a time when Kerala is up against a huge and mammoth challenge of containing the COVID spread. And of course, these measures would be aimed to basically pacify all those doctors who are basically on warpath.
Exactly. This particular, order that's been put out by the state government is after a series of incidents of attacks on doctors, especially assault on senior doctors, who was there in the COVID fight, especially the frontline barriers and also other nurses, health officials. If you look at the last 2 months, there has been at least 15 to 20 serious attacks, that's even reported by the media. We ourselves have reported 4 such cases, one of Rahul Matthew, one of Sharath Chandra Bose in Alapur, and various such cases. Now, this particular order that's been put out by the government, the most important part of this is that the installation of CCTV cameras in each and every unit of a hospital, and the feed of this CCTV cameras will be sent to the nearby aid post. And the number 2, the second most important thing is that there will be, specialized training that will be provided to the healthcare officials, and this will be monitored by the superintendent. The superintendent in charge of the hospital should take care of this particular training. So 2 important steps being taken. But in the meantime, the doctors in Aluva, especially after the attack on a doctor in Aluva at the Taktis Hospital in Pukatupadavu, where a doctor called Desis has been, assaulted by an NRI just 2 weeks back. And after that, there has been a case that's been registered against him, but still he is on the run. Now, this accused person has filed a counter case against the doctor and, has been forcing him to withdraw this particular complaint following, if not, he doesn't withdraw his complaint, he has to face the repercussions. So these are the kind of intimidating and the threats that's been received by our frontline warriors who are, been fighting day in and out for the, the lives of the patients who are admitted and also towards the society. Now, this particular person has still not been arrested. Yesterday, there was a massive protest outside the Aluva, police station by the doctors demanding the arrest of this person. They also warned, the IMA unit in Kerala has warned that, if the accused in these cases are not arrested, they will not even cooperate with the vaccination drive that is ongoing as of now. So, very, very serious situation. Meanwhile, the government has also taken note of this issue, because it's not just 1 or 2 incidents that's been reported. There has been n number of incidents right from the first wave of COVID, and especially at a time when the COVID cases have crossed the 20,000 mark for the last 1 month in the state, contributing at least 50% of the total case in the country also. So on one side, the government has to fight, the health department has to fight the COVID as a menace, and on the other side, you have such atrocities happening against doctors. So it's a 2-front war as far as the health department is concerned. It is indeed a very challenging situation as of now. But as of now, the government has assured the doctors that they'll take stringent action against the accused.
Right, Vivek, thank you for sharing all those details.